You're looking to barbecue stir fry outside. You have a portable power station, and you have here is a skillet and heating up some chicken. We're going to show you what this product is about. We're cooking a piece of chicken, frying, just about done, on a skillet, warming up. A nice hot skillet, so please be careful when touching. It can be ran off of AC, DC inverters, and you have here is a way to cook. Let's go inside and give you a demonstration at the workbench what this is all about. Do be careful when handling. It is hot. From the providers, VBGK is an 1800 watt stovetop outdoor for cooking. I'm going to show you how nicely they are packaged. Open up the box. They are protected with foam inside. As we lift up, we have the instruction guide and the hot plate. Protected by plastic. It is compact, small, and lightweight. Give you a close-up look at the hot plate. All electric, 110 volt, 1800 watt. Show you at the table on the bottom side of the unit. It's vent holes, the fan made of plastic with feet that has rubber, a 110 2-plug cord, the hot plate on top. Caution, this is a hot area. Feather touch buttons with the timer, mode, and different types of touches. You can go online for further details about the models they offer. This is the instruction guide that gives you information on how to set up and use your unit. In this demonstration, we have a pot of water. We have plugged into the AC. We have a meter to show the temperature. We're going to hit the on button. And after so many seconds, if nothing is pressed, the unit will shut down. 30 seconds. Hit the function button. We are on stir fry. We want to go to water. It's not hitting the water, but hitting the function button for soup, water. As you can see, it's already heating up and hot. We're reading a temperature well over 200 plus degrees, 300 and change. In no time, this will heat up and boil the small amount of water. When shutting down the machine will stay hot and will stay hot for a while. So please be careful not to touch the top. And when the water is hot, you may decrease by hitting the negative of the temperature. You can lock it by holding the lock button. Hitting the lock will unlock, and hitting the timer and adjusting the minutes. When all done, you may hit the power and the word hot telling you that the unit is hot. This will take time to cool down. When the units cool down, the hot will shut down. When using a ceramic top plate, it is weather resistant to a certain extent. We have hot water that will go on. As you can see, it's sizzling and still hot. Please, with caution, be careful not to touch the top. It is very hot. We can cook outside and show you some of the things the unit can do. Even though the unit is still boiling, this is the hot area around the circle. On the unit touching around the sides, it is hot from here to the inner side. You're able to lift the unit up, and it is lukewarm on the bottom. It has a cooling fan over here to cool down. We're going to demonstrate with a single countertop burner what we can do. The temperature is up to 1800 watts and it's generating heat. It would turn red. We're getting ready to put our skillet on. As you can see the redness there. We'll give it a couple more seconds so you can see it. We hear the beep of 518 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll put our pan on and we're going to fry an egg. If we want to increase the temperature, we can increase or decrease the temperature by increments, 464, 518. Time to get our egg going. If we want to round that egg, we simply just place it in round, and you can see the temperature heat. It'll take a few minutes to cook. It holds a pan from 9 to 9.87 inches. When all done, just simply hit the HOLD off. It holds the temperature. And then simply hit the 3 dashes in the off. It'll say hot. I will lift it up so you can see the word hot. And it takes a number of minutes to cool down. Your hot plate, cooking pork chop, chicken, making barbecue, stir frying, boiling water for a cup of coffee, tea, soup. It has all the features. You could put it on a timer, lock it, and have it set up to do what you want for your over-the-counter, on-top, single-burner hot plate. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.